Sahara Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Afghan naan or Afghan bread. Now, I have a couple videos already on how to make Afghan bread, and if you haven't seen them yet, I'm going to leave the links up here, and I'm going to leave the links down below in the description box for you to watch. And this bread that I'm going to share with you today is going to be a little bit different than my previous videos. I gave it a little twist and I hope you like it. And it is very simple and it's very easy to follow. So please don't go anywhere and stick around. I'll be back and show you how to make this delicious Afghan bread. Thank you for joining me today. Hi, welcome back. Here's our beautiful bread. It smells awesome. I already sliced it and placed it in a bread basket. And I have a cup of qaimak chai, and that is the Afghan pink tea. I already have a video on this also, so I'm going to leave the link up here and also in the description box down below, just in case you haven't seen it. So let me try a piece and I will let you know how it tastes. Wow, it tastes really good. And I like the fact that the bread is very soft and at the same time it's chewy. And I love the seeds on it. You can always skip the seeds if you don't like seeds on your bread. That's all for today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video shortly. Thank you. Love you all.